Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be repairing some damaged items. Let's get into it. We have 4 items to repair today. The first is this robe. So on the inside here, do you see how this bottom part right here is attached? And then when you get midway, it's loose right here. So this one is a really simple fix, and especially it being fuzzy, I could use essentially whatever color thread, but I just need to do a line of stitching on the inside right here. The next item is this sock that has a hole in it. So since it's a hole in the top and not on the bottom, I think this is worth repairing. I know that socks, you're supposed to like put it in this like hoop and then fix it like that, but I have a different idea on how to fix this. My idea is to turn it, and I already washed the sock, it's a clean sock. Turn it right side out, and then I'm just going to pinch the hole together, and I'm just going to do some zigzag and some straight stitch. That's my thought. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it doesn't hurt to try. The third item is this pillow here where the opening is busted open. So for this, I'm going to have to use a matching thread. I'm thinking like a tan, and I'm just going to right here pinch it and then do a row of stitching right here. And the last item is the sleeve of this shirt. So you can see here how the shirt is supposed to have a double, let me get closer. It's supposed to have a double line of stitching, and it has popped open right here. So I could use like the what's it called? Double needle. I've never done that before, but I just plan to do a single row of stitches in red, and then I might do a second row, but just to make the sleeve look more even. So this one's going to need an ironing. The other 3 items I don't think need any ironing. I could just eyeball it and do it. So I'm going to start with the robe and the sock. These are both white thread, and then we'll move on to the next. First 2 items complete. We have the robe facing sewn in. Now I lost the spot. So it was on both sides that the facing was coming off, and I just did a row of stitches to hold it in. I think it's perfect. On the one side, it was actually coming off way more than the other. So that is perfect. Now the facing is not going to come out anymore. And for the sock, I just did a couple rows of stitches, straight stitches, right on the hole. So let's turn it right side out. Let's see if this worked. If not, we'll try again with a zigzag. Let's see here. Well, there we go. Look at that. Now, if there was a big old hole in the heel or whatever, I wouldn't try to fix it, you know, like, but this is just a little hole in the top, so I feel like it's gonna hold longer. Obviously, at some point, you do just have to throw away the sock, but I felt like that was worth trying that out, and I'm glad it worked. Glad the robe worked. On to the next item, the pillow. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you make the effort to fix these items, or would you donate them and get a new one? Now, for the pillow, I'm wondering if I should pick out the current stitches and just like redo the whole opening so it's all one color. I don't know. Let me look at the color browns that I have and see what I have that matches. You guys are probably sick of hearing me talk about this, but I love this container of Gutermann thread. It allows me to have a variety of colors without having to take up a ton of space. So when I have random projects like this, I can go in here and find, is that right? Nope, not quite right. The best thread. Is this one right? Nope. I actually think a gray would work best. I'm going to use this sand looking color, which is actually the color I use for jar openers, which means I have a bobbin already done. So this is the color we're going to use. Machine rethreaded, pillow pinned, time to sew the opening shut. Pillow fixed. You can't even see the stitches because actually the original stitches is a much thicker thread. that was actually more difficult than I expected. It was difficult to get this part under the sewing arm. I actually ended up putting an invisible zipper foot so that I could get closer to this this edge right here. On to the last item. Now I need to find a red. Okay, I am going to use this burgundy to fix the thread. It's pretty close to the thread color. This is the thread color. I would say it's pretty close. So now I just need to pin the sleeve down so that it's in the right place, and then I can do round of stitches. I might do two. Okay, I got the sleeve sewn on. The color match is not exact by any means, but the sleeve is fixed, and now it's gonna lay flat in the proper manner, so I don't think you'll even notice it at all, and now it'll look more correct. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are these projects that you think you would tackle? Would you just toss them, donate, and get a new one? What do you think in the comments down below? Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.